woof, look how I've come online. Surely that's better. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got my little frill dress on. I'm feeling all super girly, so I wanted to come on this video to show you this hair. Let me get this up because I don't want to miss out anything. This hair company is really good. You've got so much information that I need to tell you about. I'm getting my laptop. Okay, so I have my laptop here. So this company, I'm gonna sorry if I butcher your name, because you should see from my previous videos I am not good with names. So this is called Cynosure Hair. Am I close? I don't know. I'll list it down below and it'll be in the title, okay? So I've never tried this this hair before. I don't even think I've even heard of the company before, I won't lie. But what I've seen so far, I'm liking. So as a factory over 10 years experience, Cynosure Hair always aims to offer premium quality human hair. This is what it says. So they say it's super soft, tangle and shedding free, long lifetime with proper care. So you can read all of this on their website. You can read all of this on the leaflets that they come in and stuff like that. They have lace front wigs and they have bundles. So they have body wave, straight hair, kinky curly, deep wave, loose wave. And then they have body wave, deep wave, kinky straight, loose wave, bob wig, kinky curly, straight, and water wave for the wigs. So you've got so much to choose from, you know. I'm like old school. I love this, you know, the normal body wave. I love the straight. So what I got is the body wave. They sent me 4 bundles of 28 inches with a 20-inch closure. Sometimes I get really lazy when it comes to frontals, so I just opt out and go for closures, to be honest with you. I made the wig and I wanted to show you the original packaging, but for some reason that kind of deleted off my phone because I recorded it on my phone. I don't know where that went. I'm trying to find it. So anyway, I'll show you the wave pattern, what it looks like with me doing nothing to it. So this is the wave pattern with the wig. Look at this, guys. Look how long this is. So excited. So I made it into a wig myself, and that's the closure here. I want to cut it up and just show you how it looks on camera. So I'm gonna have to be really quick with this because my battery's going out, and the charger, I've lost it. I don't know where it is. I think I left it in Dubai. Really soft, really thick. I think I used 3.5 bundles, or did I use all 4? No, I used all 4 bundles, and this is the result of all 4 bundles. When it comes to anything over 24 inches, I'd recommend 4 bundles, definitely. I'm gonna put a bit of powder onto the lace. Lots of hair. Oh, I'm excited. Look at this hair, guys. So I'm just gonna do some baby hairs quickly. Baby hairs. Oh, I feel hair. If you guys knew me back in the day, I loved 26 inches, 28 inches, 30 inches of hair, thick like this. I used to roll out like this. I never used to cut it up, it just used to roll out like this. This is not what we're gonna do today. We're gonna curl this bad boy up today. We're gonna curl it up today. Hey, I'm gonna get some powder, fine it a bit more, you know, let it blend in and whatnot. Go. Yeah, this part is doing this, but it looks more natural that way, right? Ooh, I'm feeling myself. I haven't had long hair in a minute, guys. This is why, like, come on, sis. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so, as you can see, it's sitting a bit high. It's sitting a bit high. So what you do, right, you get the good old mousse. 2 pumps of that bad boy. And you just place it on top. And my hot comb. Just be careful. You'll hear it like going because obviously it's wet. But just go in with this. And just go in with it here. So this is just a wax stick. And then I'm just going to go in on the top of it. I go in with my hot comb once more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start curling this hair. That's not even on anymore. Why did it switch itself off? I wish I could sit here and curl all of it in a very nice, neat manner, but I can't because I have 2 kids. And they will not allow me to sit here for a good 3-4 hours curling this hair. So let me just show you how it curls anyways. I don't even know if this thing's on. Is it on? Oh, yeah, it is on. Ooh, look at this bouncy little curl. I don't know if I should cut some layers. Oh, guys, I want to cut some layers. Go on. Here we go. Look how this went straight in, like I know what I'm doing. Oh, what did I do? Eesh. Oh, no. Nope. Look, and I'm still going. I'm not learning my lesson. Let's curl this bad boy here. Ooh, can you see the little curl? I'm so excited. Be right back. Let me just do this side and I'll be right back. So I've kind of curled at the top here. Oof. Yeah, I'm glad I did those layers. Can you see those layers popping? I don't think if you guys can see them. There they are, look. There. So this is this side that hasn't been curled. Can you see the difference? I don't know if you can. I can anyways. Really wish I could sit here and curl this whole day. I'm going to go in with some anti-frizz serum. I'm just going to go in at the top. Ends are looking very nice and thick. The hair here goes. This is by far the best body wave hair I've received. It's cute. If you want to purchase their hair, then definitely check them in the description bar. They're a very reliable company, really nice. I really do like this hair. Definitely check them out. So yeah, that's all. If you've got any questions, then please listen down below. I will be sure to answer them, and I will, okay? Yeah, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I don't roll in the ends like a lady.